Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the 17th of October. Sorry, I could not forecast last couple of days because first I was busy, second I had a problem with my computer, so I could not. However, I sorted my computer. In fact, I replacement. I'm still waiting for my other computer to sort it out, and then anyway, apart from that, I still carry on with the analysis from a different computer. Anyway, let's start with our forecast, and let me share my screen with you. See what's happening in the market, and you can see. Let's start with Forex Factory for the 17th of October, and as you can see that we have impact news CAD USD 130 11:30 p.m. AUD as well. And earlier on, you can see we got AUD JPY 1:30 a.m. and 7 a.m. GBP. And that's it for the news as far as the news are concerned. And looking into the US dollar index, Dixie, we expect the movement to the downside. This is 1 hour chart. Going to the 4 hours, you can see there's a fair value gap as well. And there's a rejection from here, and going to daily, we see possible move at least to this side, to the downside. And we expect gold to go to the upside because Dixie is going down. Still, there's a war going on, and we're expecting gold. I was expecting gold to go to the upside. Look here, we could have given a rejection of around 1900 level, or this level 1900, or even at 1881. But it's still possible when the market makes a double top here, and it still can come down. However, because of the situation, fundamental news going on, war situation, market may not reverse from the double top here. It may go straight up after breaking this. So be careful when you trade in gold. So I'll suggest focus on different other pairs as well, because gold is very risky unless you know how to manage your risk, and you can use small lot size. You go to multiple time frames, and you can have good probability as well. So today what happened, this was the Asian zone high and this Asian zone low. So and market broke this level around 1922 level. It was broken, retested it, and in fact 1920 level is broken, retested it, and the market came down again. So and now this is Asian low, and we've seen good move from here, and then we were sell on the news. There was a sell trade. At least you could have taken some. So plus it was Asian high as well, so you could have taken some pips from here. So there was some opportunities in the market, although not as great, but this was a good opportunity here. As you can see, the 1 hour, this is order block here, and we had a good buy trade from here. Also, a sell trade here. On this breaking of this level 1922. So the different time frames, you can have some pips in depending on which time frame you used. Right. So and that's it for the gold. And GBP is a very good pair to consider as well, especially in these days when you don't have any much trading on the gold. You can consider GBP, Euro USD, or any other pairs like GBP USD or JPY pairs. You can have good opportunity on them as well. And here you can see the market is reversed from here to the upside, and this is the next level. And if the mark, okay, first of all, you can see this channel was broken or retested. We got a trade here, market went come down 4 hours, you can see on this level, and then we had this up to here and retested this level here and come back again on this level. Now 4 hours, you can see this, there's a buy trade here, and always go to smaller time frame to look the market closely. On here retest of this area, and is a double bottom as well, so good trade here. Also, if you want to take a trade here, go to smaller time frame. And see the retest here. So the trade here on this bullish candle and take profit here. So there's multiple trades in GBP JPY if you go into smaller time frame. So I'll leave it to you, but however, what's happening in GBP? What can happen now? I'm expecting this to test this level, and maybe if the rejection from there, we'll take a sell trade from here. However, if this we can here, sorry, here we can see movement to the at least to here as well, to test this level and go to the upside. And from here, you can see further move to the downside. And if it's on the breaking of this retest, we can sell, take a buy trade. That's for GBP JPY. So there's different scenarios. Let's see how the market goes. And if you go on the smaller 4H, let's see what's the picture in 4H. Again, the market should come up to this level. In the meantime, this is a fair value gap. In smaller time frame market, you will see the reversal from here to at least to here. Then retest this level, come down and go to the upside again, on to the next level here. Right, and also on daily, you can see that the market is structure-wise, market is movement. Market broke this tested it, and I'm definitely expecting to go to the upside here and then further move to the upside. And you can see this is daily bullish candle there as well. So we definitely expect the movement to the upside, but however, always take entry on confirmations. I hope this is useful, and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.